I still hear your voice in my dream. Sing this to me. Fuck you! No, no. Hey, check, hey. That's good. I'm cool. I'm a cool guy. Hey. He said hey a lot. This was his idea, by the way. I just want to be
This was his idea, by the way.
Everyone else wearing, this was his idea, and he's already taking off.
Shut up so I can do it! I will not shut up!
Well, hi there, friends. If you guys want to get your wiggles out, feel free to move away from the chairs and get into the center area, but you don't have to. Do whatever makes you feel the most comfortable. Spooky friends, it's time to say, boo! This song's about a giant robot!